Hello, welcome back to Kuki Decor, your daily source of creativity, inspiration, and beautifully reimagined woodcraft ideas. Today's video dives into a topic that transforms both your home and your wallet, beyond the bin. Upcycling furniture into stunning profitable home decor design ideas. In a world where sustainability meets style, upcycling has become far more than a hobby, it's a lifestyle, a design trend, and for many, a growing income stream. And the best part? You don't need expensive materials, fancy tools, or professional experience. All you need is imagination, the beauty of old wood, and the willingness to turn the forgotten into the unforgettable. Before we dive into today's transformative ideas, make sure you subscribe to Kuki Decor. We post daily videos filled with inspiring DIYs, repurposed wood designs, and eco-friendly furniture ideas you can use at home or turn into profit. Upcycling old furniture is one of the most exciting, rewarding, and meaningful design journeys you can take. Think about how many pieces of furniture are abandoned daily: scratched chairs, broken tables, cracked drawers, outdated cabinets, all tossed aside just because of a little wear. But what many see as waste, creative DIYs see as opportunity. Upcycling lets you express your artistic voice while combating waste and producing high-quality decor that feels personal, intentional, and full of character. Each transformed piece tells a story: where it came from, how it was revived, and where it now finds its purpose. Instead of contributing to landfills, you're adding beauty to your home, and potentially adding profit to your pocket. One of the most popular, and surprisingly simple, upcycling ideas is turning old wooden chairs into unique accent pieces. Maybe the legs are shaky or the paint is peeling, but the frame is still strong. With some sanding, a modern coat of matte paint, and new upholstery, you can create a trendy statement chair perfect for bedrooms, reading corners, or entryways. If you're aiming to sell, these upcycled chairs are extremely profitable because people love one-of-a-kind designs that can't be found in commercial furniture stores. Another fantastic idea is transforming old drawers into functional and decorative wall shelves. Even if the chest of drawers is damaged beyond repair, the drawer boxes alone are gold. With a little creativity, they can be turned into rustic shadow boxes, floating shelves, bathroom organizers, or charming mini display cases for plants and candles. Their depth and vintage charm make them ideal for farmhouse-style decor or boho-inspired interior design. Add a fresh coat of white, black, or pastel paint, and suddenly an old drawer becomes a stunning focal point, one that sells quickly at craft markets or online shops. And what about wooden bed frames? Many people throw them away without realizing they are some of the most valuable materials for upcycling. Long, sturdy planks from old bed frames can be repurposed into coffee tables, garden benches, shoe racks, or modern wall art. The naturally aged wood has a richness that gives your project instant character. You can go rustic by keeping the imperfections, or go modern by sanding everything smooth and applying clean geometric patterns. Either way, these projects are highly marketable, especially in today's eco-conscious furniture trends. Old desks and tables are also hidden treasures waiting for revival. Even if the top is scratched or stained, a simple technique like epoxy coating, wood burning, or stencil painting can bring them back to life. Repurposing the table into a home office desk, a plant stand, or even a vanity table can add beauty and function to modern homes. With the rise of remote work, stylish and affordable desks are in high demand, making them a profitable product for upcyclers. Here, at Kuki Decor, we inspire you daily with creative furniture flips, woodworking ideas, rustic decor inspiration, and eco-friendly transformations that help you design beautifully and sustainably. So if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you as part of our growing creative community. Let's move on to more incredible upcycling transformations that go well beyond the bin. Turning an old wooden ladder into a decorative bookshelf or a hanging blanket rack is another simple but highly aesthetic project. Vintage ladders, especially those with weathered wood, have become iconic decor pieces. Their charm makes them ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or even bathrooms. You can place plants, books, towels, or throw blankets on them, turning an old tool into a display masterpiece. These ladder shelves sell extremely well because they blend rustic charm with modern simplicity, two popular design styles today. Next, consider turning old cabinet doors into designer wall art. The framed shape of cabinet doors makes them the perfect base for artistic decor. You can use techniques like stenciling, woodworking patterns, mosaic art, or even macrame to create unique pieces. These upcycled wall art pieces are not only easy to make, but also extremely profitable because wall art is one of the best-selling categories in the home decor world. You don't need expensive materials, the base is already there, you're just giving it a new identity. Let's not forget about upcycling old wooden crates. These crates are among the most versatile items you can repurpose. With some sanding and creative finishing, they can become bedside tables, storage cubes, kitchen shelves, pet beds, or plant holders. Stack several crates together, and you've created a modular shelving system that looks stylish, functional, and beautifully rustic. Many small businesses are built entirely on crate upcycling because of how quickly they sell and how easy they are to customize. Another profitable idea is repurposing broken doors into statement pieces like full-length mirrors, standing coat racks, or headboards. Old doors often have unique carved designs or distressed details that add personality to your decor. Adding a mirror panel instantly transforms the door into a stylish dressing mirror. If painted with chic colors like matte black, forest green, or soft beige, these pieces become luxurious and marketable with minimal cost. Old wooden windows also offer endless possibilities. Their frames can be transformed into decorative mirrors, rustic picture frames, jewelry organizers, or artistic installations. Multi-pane windows especially work beautifully for farmhouse, cottagecore, and industrial interiors. With a little cleaning and minor repairs, they can become high-value decor pieces that stand out in any room. Even broken furniture legs and small leftover wood pieces can be upcycled into candle holders, centerpiece stands, coasters, key holders, or miniature sculptures. Nothing needs to go to waste. You can create bundled decor sets, which sell extremely well because customers love coordinated home items. One of the most exciting aspects of upcycling is how accessible it is. You don't need large workshops or expensive tools. A simple toolkit, basic paints, sandpaper, and creativity can lead to stunning results. The joy of upcycling lies in the transformation, seeing how something discarded becomes a treasure people want to display proudly in their homes. And in today's interior design world, sustainability is more than a trend, it's a value. People want eco-friendly, handmade, and meaningful decor. Upcycled furniture checks all these boxes. It's environmentally responsible, artistically expressive, and uniquely beautiful. That's why upcycled pieces often sell for higher prices than mass-produced furniture. They are one of a kind, crafted with intention and story. Whether you're transforming an old table into a modern coffee table, repurposing drawers into stylish shelves, giving new life to a dresser with bold colors, or turning wood scraps into decorative art, every upcycling project adds charm and character to a home. And once you start, it becomes addictive. the creativity, the satisfaction, and yes, the profit. Thank you for watching this Kuki Decor video, where creativity meets sustainability every single day. If today's ideas inspired you, remember, your next masterpiece might already be sitting in your home, waiting to be revived. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor for more daily inspiration, DIY furniture flips, repurposed wood designs, and beautiful decor ideas that turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. This has been Beyond the Bin. Upcycling furniture into stunning profitable home decor design ideas. Stay creative, stay inspired, and keep turning the old into something bold.